Well, there are a lot of smartwatches in the market right now, and each of them packs a different set of features in them. But I think the most feature packed smartwatch in the market right now is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I'm gonna tell all the features, so let's start. The first thing you notice about the watch is how lightweight and comfortable it is to wear. The watch comes with two dimensions, that is 40 mm and 44 mm. Currently, the watch which I have is 44 mm. The watch comes with armor aluminum frame and its weigh around 25 to 30 grams. Overall, the looks and design of the watch is minimal and it feels so premium. You also get two manual buttons, that is for home and back key. The strap of Galaxy Watch 4 is of very good quality and doesn't feel cheap at all. So before I switched to Galaxy Watch 4, I was using Mi Band 6 and it's a very lightweight band. And switching from Mi Band 6 to Galaxy Watch 4, I haven't noticed any major weight difference in it. As I have told you earlier that it's a very lightweight smartwatch. So comfortable and light that sometimes I forget that it's on my wrist. Let me quickly show you the box of Galaxy Watch 4 and what are the contents we are getting in it. So the Watch 4 comes in a plain white box. Opening up the box, on top we are greeted by Galaxy Watch 4 itself, and then we have some manual guides and warranty card. We are also getting a charging magnetic dock in the box, so you don't have to take out the watch from the strap to charge it, just like the other smartwatches. Well, the best thing about Galaxy Watch 4 is its display. The Watch 4 comes with a beautiful Super AMOLED display from Samsung. It has a very sharp and bright display, and this beautiful display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass DX Plus protection. The Galaxy Watch 4 has a very big advantage as compared to previous Galaxy watches because it comes with the Google Wear OS and it packs a lot of customization in it. Turning on the watch, swiping down from the top, you will get all your quick toggles just like on your smartphones. Swiping up from the bottom, you will get access to all your apps. Swiping right from the corner, you will get access to all your notification. And swiping left from the corner, you will get access to all your quick tiles. Well, the Watch 4 is powered by Samsung own Exynos W920 processor, and it's a dual core processor based on 5 nanometer architecture. And from a smartwatch perspective, it's a very powerful chipset. Opening up the quick panel, you have a lot of options to play with. The watch comes with all the basic sensors, and addition to that, it also has that newly bioelectrical analysis sensor. Well, I tell you about that further. As the Watch 4 comes with Google Wear OS, you have that option of Play Store. You can install a lot of apps from Play Store supported by your Galaxy Watch 4. And recently, Spotify has been added on the list. The Watch 4 also comes with 1.5 GB of RAM for all your apps, and it also has that 16 gigabytes of internal storage in it. As per your likings, you can install the apps or you can uninstall some of the apps which are pre-installed on your Galaxy Watch 4. The watch has inbuilt GPS system, so it is easy for you to navigate from your watch itself. Galaxy Watch 4 may not have that ring just like Watch 4 Classic, but still it has that rotating bezel features. You can jump between quick tiles just by rotating on your bezels. You can directly pick up the call from the watch itself as it comes with the inbuilt speaker. You also get the option to mute or unmute the ongoing call, and you can also decrease or increase the volume of the speaker. You can even reply or receive messages on your watch itself. You can also instant reply on any of the messages, or you can write your own customized message on the watch itself. In my usage, it lasted for around 2 days. And talking about the charging speed, it take almost 2 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100. Well, the bioelectrical analysis sensor, which I have talked about earlier, is basically used to measure your body mass index. You just need to place your middle and ring fingers on the keys and it will start measuring.
Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival.
You can install Galaxy Wearable on your phone for the customization of Galaxy Watch 4. You can change your tiles, you can edit your quick panel from the app itself. You can even find your watch if you are unable to. Just go to Find My Watch option and click on Start button. Then your watch will start making a loud beep noise, and then you will definitely gonna find your watch. You can even access your camera from the watch itself, and it allows you to click a picture also. Well, there are a lot of other health related features which Samsung has been added on this watch, like you can measure your ECG. I've already shown you body composition measure. You can measure your SpO2, heart rate. You can even monitor your sleep with the sleep tracking feature. Well, the last but not the least feature is that it comes with a lot of watch faces. The app itself has Samsung own inbuilt watch faces, and you can also install a lot of watch faces from third party apps.
Tell me now, what you gonna do? We can do this face to face. The reckoning is coming real soon. Doesn't matter what you say.
So that was all the feature that Galaxy Watch 4 comes with, and I think it's a great package what Samsung is offering on its Galaxy Watch 4 series. It's definitely gonna worth it for your money, and that's it from my side, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye, take care.